Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. There is a famous proverb: the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We have already started our journey to learn 80% English with 500 words. What is required is your commitment and your passion. Stop making excuses and tell me, are you committed and passionate to learn English? If you are, then come with me. Today, we'll take a look into 3 words: the, to, that. The gas, the room, the doorbell, the sun, the book, the table, the best, the house. Now let's see a few sentences. Turn off the gas. Clean up the room. The doorbell rang. The sun is shining. The sun has gone down. Beware of the dog. What's the matter? The baby is crying. The book is on the table. The mango tree is in front of the house. Now answer these questions. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Where is the mango tree? The mango tree is in front of the house. The second word for the day is to. To study, to be, to hear, to school, to go, to do, to see, to learn, due to, want to, come to, go to, in order to. Let's see a few sentences and questions. Mom told Reena to study. What do you want to be? I want to be an IAS officer. I am glad to hear that. I am glad to hear that. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus or I walk to school. Would you like to come to the park? Yes, I would like to come to the park. Are you ready to go out? No, not yet. Are you ready to go out? No, not yet. Do you talk to your dog? Yes, I talk to my dog daily. Do you want to be rich? Yes, I want to be rich. May I sit next to you? Yes, you may. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to travel. Welcome to our home. Welcome to our home. Let's go to a movie. Let's go to a movie. We come to the third word and it is that. After that, like that, more than that, go that far. Who is that? Who is that or who's that? That's my brother. What's that? What's that? What is that? That's a table. That is a table. I have seen that car. I have seen that car. That is his car. And that is her car. Whose house is that? That's our house. That's our house. That's his house. That is his house. What's that sound? It's the sound of thunder. What's that sound? It's the sound of thunder. What happened to that tower? What happened to that tower? Lightning hit that tower. Lightning hit that tower. Have you been to Udupi? Yes, that place is very beautiful. She said that she wanted to learn English. She said that she wanted to learn English. Now, when you are on your journey of learning English, don't tell yourself, I'm become so big now. I am 20 years, I'm 30 years, I'm 40 years old, I'm 50 years old. Don't say that. If I was a child, I could have learnt English better. Stop giving excuses. Try to enjoy the English language learning process. And don't be afraid of a little embarrassment. What is embarrassment? You may sound foolish when you talk English. So don't feel ashamed of that. लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग हंसेंगे, भूल जाओ. इंग्लिश सीखना है तो सीख लेना ही है. You have made up your mind? Come on, you have to learn English. So what's our funda? Keep practicing, listen, repeat every word, every sentence of each exercise. Today we have taken 3 words. So you are going to do the exercise of those 3 words, that is the, to and that. Go on, and you will find that within 6 months your English speaking skills have improved a lot. So with this, I conclude my lesson for the day. Meet you in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and be happy always. Thank you for being my inspiration.